Wikidonist.com. Truth about tooth.
There is no reason that you should lose a natural tooth unless it is really loose on your tooth, or if it is broken below the gums, you should try to save the tooth. Why do I say so? Recently, I have watched a video, or actually to say there are lot of videos about negativity, about wrong ideas about root canal treatment. There are a lot of myths about root canal treatment. So, first I will talk about that video, first I will talk about what they say in the video, and then I will come back to the rest of the myths, because these are myths that has to be cleared off. There are people who are citing some of the research papers which was published in 1900s. Mind you, 1900s is around 100 years back. Okay, 1900, 1910 and 1920 and all was the researches which are cited in most of this root canal against root canal campaigns. I will tell you why they are doing the campaign. The campaign is actually funded by implant companies. Every company has, see, I am not saying that they are doing something wrong, they have to promote implants and things like that. Implant is a good treatment, but that does not mean that implant is better than your natural tooth. So, it is also been encouraged by implant companies. There are companies which would like your teeth to be removed, so that they will also get some more money, because see, it is better to have your natural teeth because it is God given, it is natural. Natural is better than artificial, please understand this. First thing is that. Second thing is, you should understand which articles are being quoted. Most of the articles are primitive articles before 1980s and before, and until 1980s root canal treatment was done in different ways which are not being followed after 2000 years. That is, year 2000 onwards we have been following something different. We have improved. You know that we have been traveling in bullock carts, we have been traveling in horse carriages in the past, but after the mechanization and things like that, now it is a time of AI and robotics. Do you think that that has not changed? Definitely it has changed even in dentistry. We have much better materials, we have much more authentic and researched papers on root canal treatments which can effectively clean out every bacteria which is there. They say that there is infection under the root and that can cause different diseases in the bodies. I would like to say that different diseases in the bodies are not caused only by root canal treatment. If a bacteria is there in the mouth, you cannot blame the same bacteria which could have been there in the root canal to be blamed for a disease which is caused by the bacteria. So, there are baseless claims, there are researches which was done quite years back, and using that to tell that okay, you are traveling in a aircraft and you are telling that okay, traveling from India to US is dangerous, just because the person has researched about a bullock cart and traveling through treacherous boats or ships or of that era, you cannot say that traveling to US is dangerous from India. So, see, now the aircrafts have come, so we should understand that it is not dangerous like that. There was a time where Indians used to believe that you should not cross the seas, just because they were afraid of traveling in the ship. They used to say that because the seas were rough and if you go across the sea, they used to lose lives, and they used to say that you should never travel across the sea. That is not the case now, we travel all across. Just like that, the root canal treatment itself has revolutionized. How is it revolutionized? One, the materials used for root canal treatments. Before we used to use arsenic fibers. I am telling you, our forefathers, the granddads of dentistry used to use arsenic to kill all the germs inside the tooth, because they did not have proper things. Either was used for anesthesia or getting a general anesthesia. A dentist has found out. Okay, we had no techniques and methods which was credible. Whatever was used to make sure that the tooth is getting better or the pain is relieved, that was the only reason why they used it. And we have moved out from arsenic. We don't use any arsenic in the root canal treatment. In 1900s it was one of the choicest medications which was used, and don't use that data to vilify root canal treatments. Now it is not done by any dentist. Most of the root canal treatment is done by professionally trained, endodontically trained dentists who are extremely good in doing that. There was no X-ray at that time. Most of the X-rays were using the large X-ray machines which was used to do all their bigger X-rays. So you cannot blame the dentist saying that dentists who are using digitized X-ray which can be done within 3 seconds, saying that root canals are not predictive. See, you should understand that we are using space age materials like nitinol and rotary instruments. Even the apex of the root is being recognized by apex locators. We have digital X-rays which can actually magnify and understand even the root canals and positions and things like that. We have silver nanotechnology to clear up all those things. We can use lasers to disinfect this thing. So root canal treatment has transformed itself in a wide variety of ways, and it can be done effectively to make sure that the root canals are really good for your improvement of your oral health and removing all the infections. Then the second myth I will talk about is actually about pain. Painful root canals were there. I do agree that root canals were painful because the anesthetics were not that effective. We have other anesthetic methods now which has already come in. We have sleep dentistry which has already come in. They don't even recognize whether root canal has been done because the pain has been reduced. They don't have any anxiety when they come to this thing. So sleep dentistry and anesthetics have clearly this thing. But in my practice, I don't use any of these what you call sleep dentistry techniques or nitrous oxide inhalation anesthesia or any of these things. I just give a normal local anesthetic, and I am telling you, there are so many people who are scared of root canal treatments and they have never felt it. This is what every dentist who does a good root canal says. They don't see any patient complaining of pain in any of these procedures. Most of the good endodontists are saying that they don't feel that any patient is in any slight discomfort during the root canal treatment. Only 1% is having some amount of discomfort during root canal treatment. Then the third thing is time. So many times you will have to go. No, that is gone by. Most of the root canal treatments, 99.5% of the root canals done in my clinic is being done in single appointment. Within 30 or 40 minutes we finish it. Multiple root canal treatments, multiple canals, yes, it can be done in one sitting, single sitting, 30 minutes or 40 minutes, we can do it. We can effectively clean it, we can find it due to digital technology. We can use digital X-rays and things like that. It is highly predictive. I have seen 93 to 93% of success rates in the reviewed cases. If you are looking even the non-reviewed cases, we have seen success rate of 98%. Then you will ask me 2% is already you are reducing it. But there is a part of the patient, they have to come back, they have to do the crown, they have to follow it up with other procedures. You don't see some of the patients. So all these things has to be accounted for 2% of it. Of course, there are some failures even in my hands. I will talk about the failures and why it happens and things like that in the next video. Please make sure that you watch and subscribe and send all those things. Please make sure that you comment on all these things. If you have some videos to be shared, to some clarifications to be done, I will be happy to do that. Dr. Thomas Nechupadam from Kerala, God's own country, God's own people. Make sure that your natural teeth is saved, come what may. Don't be a myth believer. Myths has to be busted. For more of these, please listen to me, please watch my videos, share it to others also. Thank you very much.
Wikidonus.com